Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this Antiknight Sudoku by Ukrainian author Serhii Tyshchenko for Sudoku Grand Prix. So Antiknight Sudoku is this variant where two cells separated by a chess knight's move, like this, cannot contain the same digit. And it allows for puzzles where very few givens are in the grid at the start, and consistent with the overall theme of this round, Serhii has put this pattern of clues. So this is a variant that I usually dread in Grand Prix, especially with such a high number of points, 70 in this case. But I did attempt it successfully during the contest, and I hope I will solve it as efficiently. So the start is where lots of digits are, and something that has to be recognized here is that 4, 6 are obviously not in here, and they're not in here because of the Antiknight rule. So inside this column, 4 and 6 must be there. Now here I need 1, 2, and 9, but 1 is in none of those cells. 1, 2, and 8, sorry. 2 is not here, and 8 is there, and 8 could not be here either. Now, speaking of 8, 8 is not here, it's not here, and it's not here, so this is 8. And symmetrically, 1 is not here. One is not the right example here, I'm afraid. 6 is somewhere in here. 4 is somewhere in here. 7 is 7 is not here, so that's the 7, that's the 4. 1 is not here, it's not here, so that's the 1, that's the 6, and this is 9, yes. Now here, 9, so here we need 2, 3, 5, 9. This is not 3, it's not 2, it's not 5, so that's the 9. So 2, 3, 5. 5 is not here, 3 is not here, so that's the 2. And here we get 3 and 5. Here this is from 2, 3, 5, but there's the 3 here, the 5. So that's the 2. This is from 3, 5. Here those are from 1, 3, 5, but this is not 3 or 5. So we're left with this. And this may look like a deadly pattern leading to multiple solutions, but Antiknight will come to our rescue. There shall be, perhaps, I don't know, perhaps, those are not 5s. Perhaps a 5 here, which will disambiguate. I don't know yet, I don't remember. All right, so where is our next place of interest? I'm seeing that 2 is nowhere here. So we can place 2 in this column. 2, I said. 4 is nowhere here. So there's a 4 in here. And which is interesting is that both of those cells say this one. If this were a 4, then none of those would be a 4, so that's a 6. That's a 4, and because of this 4, that can't be a 4. Oopsie. So this is a 4. And there has to be a 4 somewhere in here. So is there anything else to do? 7 is not here. 7 is not there. 7 can still be here or here. Oh, there's something with 5s. 5s can't be here. And because of that, 5 can't be here, so that's a 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 Oh, 6, 8, 7. So this has to be a 9. 6 is not here, so this is from 7 and 8. 7 here, this is from 6, 8. And because of the 7, this is also from 6, 8, so that's 7 in the column is here. And this doesn't seem to be disambiguated at this point. So is there anything similar inside this column? I sure hope so. 9 is not here. There are still 2 places for 9. Is there something about 2? I think so. 2 is not here, not here, not here, so that's a 2. Oh, and I said that this was a place for 9. No, so now 9 is excluded from all those positions, so that's a 9. 7, or 7 can still be here and here. Perhaps 3. 2 positions for 3. I think I will pencil mark them, so 3 is in here. I said 7 could be here. What about 1? Well, 1 has a lot of places. Let's just write them down. I'm left with 4 and 6. 4 and 6 are not here. Also, this can only be a 1. Yes, 4, 6, 3, and 7 are all excluded, so that's a 1. 4 and 6, this can only be a 3. Yes. That's not 7, 4, 6. So we're left with 4, 6, and 7. So 7 here, this is from 4, 6. This can't be a 4, so this is 6 or 7. This can't be a 4, so this is from 6 and 7. And 4 is here. Nice. 1 is not here. It's not here, so on this row, 1 is there. We get a 1. Oh, but 1 is not here on this row, so 1 it can only be here. Those are 5 and 7. Let's just write them down. I need the 1 somewhere on this row, and it can only be here. Those are from 5, 6, and 8. Let's just write them down. But that's not a 6. I think this is it. This row still needs 2, 7, and 9. 9 here, so this is from 2 and 7. 7 and 2 here, so that's a 9. This is from 2 and 7. This row still needs 3, 5, and 9. 5. So this is from 3 and 9. 5 is not here, so 5 is there. This is also from 3 and 9. So that's not a 5. Here we get a 6, 8 pair. That's not 5. This is from 4 and 7. And actually 5 is here, so that's the 5. And this is from 4, 7. 6. This 5 turns this into a 7. On this row we still need 6, 8, and 9. So those will have to be disambiguated at some point later. This row still needs 3, 4, 6, 8. So those are from 3, 6, 8. There's a, oh, that's the 1. There's the 1. 3, 6, 8, 9, 3 here. So this is from 6, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7 here. 3, 6, 3, 4, 6, 8, there's an 8 here. Perhaps I'm too heavy on pencil marking. Perhaps this is needed. Wow. And I could be missing some eliminations. This happens a lot when I solve Antiknight. Well, so let's move on to this cell, perhaps, yes. This cell can be any of those digits, which means that only 5 and 6 remain. Yes, only 5 and 6 remain. Four is not here. So there's a 4 in here, which means that this is not 4, and 4 goes there. There's also 4. Hey, 4 is not here, and 4 is not there. So there's a 4 in here, which means that this is 7, and this is 4. And this 7 turns this into a 2. That's a 7. And where does 2 go? Well, this gives us 2 here, 4 there, 4 here. I still need a 3 on this row. It's not here, it's there. 6, this is also from 6 and 7. Not disambiguated yet, I'm afraid. I still need a 3 somewhere in here. 3, 6, 7, 8. 7 here, so 3, 6, 8. 6 and 8 here, so this is from 3 and 7. Still looking for stuff that I could be missing. Oh, this is something I've been missing. 6, 5. Oh, it's 7 as well. 3. That's a 7. That's not a 3. And because of this 3, this is 9. And 3 here. That's the 3. Oh, by the way, this 3 disambiguates this seemingly deadly pattern. That's a 7. This 5 here turns this into an 8. And this is 5. And this is 6. 8. 6, 8, 6, 8. 6 here. 9 here. There's an 8 in the column. 8 there. And this is definitely 5. There was some kind of blunder involved, but I managed to fall on my legs. I'm not sure that's a real phrase in the English language. Well, I managed to solve the puzzle, and this is what counts in the end. So it's always a bit perilous. I'm always on the edge when I solve this kind of puzzle, and I'm glad that I managed to do it. I was about to say flawlessly, but not quite, inside this video. So thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.